Hello everyone, today's menu will be spicy General Tso's wings. So if you're ready, let's get baking. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and here I have a baking sheet lined with parchment papers. And then over here I have some chicken wings that I already cut into flats and drumettes. And then I'm just going to place them onto the baking sheet. And then you just want to space them out as much as you can. Okay. And then I'm just going to season it a little bit with some black pepper. You can go ahead and skip this part if you wish. We're not going to add any salt because the sauce that I'm going to be making is nice and salty already. All right. And this will go into the oven. In a medium saucepan, we're going to add in some soy sauce and then some cooking wine and then some rice vinegar and then some oyster sauce and then some brown sugar. And this is the light brown sugar. And then some Sriracha. And then some Asian chili powder. And then some ginger powder. You can use fresh ginger if you want. And then some garlic. Along with some onion powder. Then you just want to give it a quick mix, combine. Okay, and then we're gonna turn on the heat and let it come to a boil. And I just want to show you guys the Asian powder that I'm using. This is the one I use all the time. You guys can go ahead and pick it up at any Asian local grocery store. Okay, now that my sauce is boiling, I'm going to lower my heat. And then we're going to add in some Slurr. And all this is just water and cornstarch. I'm just going to give it a quick mix. Okay, and then we're just going to pour it right in there. And then just mix it up again. Okay, that looks good. And then you'll want to cook this for a couple of minutes until it thickens up. And then we'll turn off the heat. Okay, now that the chicken is finished, I'm going to pour in the sauce that we made. Okay, I'm just going to give it a quick toss. Okay, that looks good. After I place everything back into the baking sheet, I'm going to broil it for another 2 or 3 minutes. You can go ahead and eat this as is, or you can do like what I'm doing, just broil it. Here is the end results and the best part, the taste test. Now let's dig right on in and see how it is, you guys. Okay, I'm gonna go for this one. Here we go. It is a little hot. Mmm. 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 You guys, that was so delicious. The sweetness, the saltiness, the spiciness, the flavor, everything was on point. If you guys would like to give this recipe a try, the measurements will be in the description box down below. Make sure you guys go and check that out. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.